Hello YouTubers and welcome back to the Declic Production YouTube channel. And right now I have just a small tips for you to make your USB drive bootable. Maybe you have your Windows but you don't have a CD to burn that in, and you want to reinstall your OS. Okay, what you're gonna do is just to go to research bar, and you just write CMD. Okay, and you right click on CMD command prompt and you run an administrator. Okay, while you're doing that, you can expand the windows. So we got this. Okay, here this is the command prompt. So here you write disk part in one word, and we got this. Here you write list disk, show all the disks available connected to the computer. Actually it's two, the hard drive and the disk you want to make bootable. So the hard drive is 0 and your disk, according to the size, is disk 1. So we select, so type select disk 1. Okay, press enter. So now it's not selected, so we can clean it. So type clean and it cleaned. Okay, so now we can create the partition primary. Create partition primary, type that in and press enter. So we got it created. So here in this part we activate it. So just click active, type active, sorry, and enter. And here next step is to format. So we can format the fs equals FAT32 quick. Don't forget to write quick. If you don't write it, it's gonna be formatting but very slow. Done. We just have to assign. So type assign, press enter. Yeah, so now you heard that USB is now like assigned. So after that you just type exit because we're done. So maybe you have to exit twice. So exit, enter, and type again exit, enter. So the remaining thing is just to put your Windows in the flash. Don't keep it like zipped. Unzip it if it's zipped, and hope to meet you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.